po teachers, so kayo ba ay naatasan ng inyong principal na gumawa ng action plan for research, or kayo ay isang coordinator ng research sa inyong school or district? So this video ay para sa inyo. So as you can see, makikita po natin dyan ang isang sample action plan. Malinaw naman dyan. So sa isang action plan, of course, kailangan dyan yung objectives, strategies or activities, time frame, persons involved, resources needed, at yung ating expected output. So ito po ay approved na sa amin. So ito po ay pwede nyo pong gawing basis. Again, this is just a sample. You can always remove some of the data or things na ayaw ninyo, and you can always add. Anyway, ito po ay sample sa mga wala pang action plan. Ang action plan po pala ay ginagawa before or in the middle of the school year or bago yung school year. So it depends kung ano at kailan kayo pinapapasa. But then pinakamaganda nito, of course, gawin natin bago yung school year, para at least ito yung ating magiging guide as we go along with our coordinatorship or mga gagawin. So if you have questions, always free to chat or message sa ating comment.